Tyler folds a towel. Tell me how you do it, baby.
Hello. This is how I fold my towel. I wrap it up like a picnic blanket.
Like a what?
Like a picnic blanket, like this.
Okay, like a picnic blanket. Okay, and then what?
And then I fold it up to the top.
Mm-hmm.
I stretch it back and I fold it this way.
Okay.
And then I fold it this way and done.
Very nice. And look at the nice pile you folded for me already. Thank you. You're a really good helper.
I'm confused.
Why?
Kitchen towels,
Those are kitchen towels.
they should go over here.
Both of those stacks are kitchen towels. Okay, thank you. Thank you for showing us how you folded towels. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Is this a kitchen towel?
Yes.
Goes in the kitchen towel.